This is my 1993 to 1994 Galaxy 3-speed box fan. This is one of the thinner models, but it still has the full-size Marco motor. This is one of the metal Marco motors. It's not the plastic one, so it's a bit newer. And here's the blade hub. This one's in pretty good shape. It's a little dirty, but the grill is pretty much perfect. And as you can see, the front and back, it's like that on both of them. They have that little cutout for the cord. So, turn it around. It's missing the handle, unfortunately. Here's the back. Grill's in really good shape, and that's where that cutout for the cord is on the back as well. This model has the feet on it, just because it's thinner. There it is, the Marco motor. I have taken this one apart and oiled it, so probably do it again eventually, since I don't know if I got enough in there, but it runs pretty nicely. So kind of funny that the feet are yellowed and the grill isn't yellowed at all. This motor is rated at 2.2 amps, which is exactly the same as what the older plastic Marco motors were rated at. And if you listen real closely, it kind of makes a similar sound, but it's not anywhere near as pronounced as it is with the plastic motors. And of course, you could probably see when I had it turned around that it has the two-piece motor mount, which the later ones have. Alright, and yeah, it's got the holes for the stand as well. So I'm going to start it up on high. Here we go. It's nice and powerful, well balanced too. So we're pulling on high. .36 on medium. Shaded pull motor, obviously. Pretty sure I mentioned that already. I'm not sure. And here's low. Gotta love the quiet low speeds on these older fans. .05 for our amp draw on low. And I will let it stop, and I'll try and capture the faint motor sound that it has. Just like I said, it's a lot more faint than the sound that the plastic ones make. And like I said, it probably could be oiled some more. Alright. Here we go with high. Probably hear that if you're listening closely, and this camera has a pretty good microphone, so it should have picked it up. Alright, here is medium. And when we're done with this, I'll do the amp draw coming up to high. And here's low. I'll wait for the car to go by outside so there's no noise. Alright, here we go. Okay, let it come to a stop and we'll do amp draw. One major advantage that these newer style Galaxy box fans have is the grills aren't as brittle as the ones on the older ones. So that's nice. Alright, let's go up to high. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.